Mabank has been doing great. It is in a different quadrant of the city. So if you look at the map here, what you're going to see is that Mabank is down to the east, but it's on the south side. So this is very drivable into Kaufman and Terrell and Dallas and Mesquite and Seagoville and all those areas. It also has employers, but a lot of people who live in Mabank are going to be driving into the heart of Dallas County and those areas down to the southeast. One of the things I love about Mabank is how much their values have changed over the course of the last year and a half. They have had a median list price increase year over year as of September of over 9%. Their rent growth as of June was up almost 30%. It has Cedar Creek Reservoir, another recreational, lots of state parks, vineyards, tons of festivals in this area. Gun Barrel City is a real popular area here. About 56% of residents rent, so that's pretty in line with what we see down in the city. Most of DFW we see closer to 60% as we get into the big areas. So Mesquite's about 40 minutes away. Dallas is about 40 minutes away. Kaufman's 15, 20 minutes away. So lots of big cities close by. And then one little fun fact about Mabank is they hold an annual Heritage Syrup Festival. They do it the second Saturday of November. So if you like syrup, it's a great place to visit. Kind of a funky little festival to have. So again, most of these cities were railroad towns developed with water in mind. And so these reservoirs have been built in these areas to service North Texas. Another massive reservoir, lake. And they're just beautiful. Again, I'll point out, notice how quickly you can move down these highways. That's how you can live and work and get places so quickly. Here's your marina. Nice and new being built, you can see. Lots of expensive homes coming into this area. Yeah, when I tell people water reservoirs, they don't realize quite how big we're talking about for these lakes. Very, very large. See little sandy beaches most of these areas have on the water. Denison's got a great sandy beach up there by Texoma. You can see how much development is going into this area. Again, really cute streets right on the outside of that original infill district. A lot of modern design happening in this area. They're pretty traditional inside, but they take some different creativity with the exteriors. Just love the look of this area and what's being built right now. Very popular. I love my properties in Mabank. They do fantastic. And you can see how much construction's going on. Now, obviously, most of these are sold and occupied, mostly owner-occupied. You get a lot of that little Mayberry feel out here, too. You'll see a lot of the older homes have been revitalized and renovated. Of course, that's what I do on our fund side and on my personal investments. Covered carports, porticoges are real common here. We see a lot of that in Denison, too, even in Bonham, actually. But again, I want you to pay attention to how clean this area is. So here's your downtown district. Not as big as some of the other suburbs, but still very impressive, very cute.